Hi guys.
Hello, everyone.
So tonight we're gonna do some vaccination for our chicken, newborn chicks.
Yeah.
And we have some vaccine here and I was thinking that there's no extra nozzle this time, but I don't know how to mix it, but we're gonna try to mix it. I hope we not make a mess.
I believe there's enough space to put that
Yeah, I hope we not make a mess on this one.
because it's very small.
Yeah, but
It'll work.
yeah.
Oh,
So
sorry, folks. I'm busy with my
this is
fingers.
the Hifavir clone vaccine. This is good for day one chick until young ba
Yeah.
hen.
What? Yeah. Up to 6 months, isn't it?
Yeah, up to 6 months from day one to 6 months. So this is safe for the chicks.
Yep. And let's see what the chicks are doing over there. Are they excited?
Ato ni mix
You guys
ba?
excited?
Kuya Juan, video ko ani kaya katong kausa lahi man saan ni pa kutsilyo ay ko ana dada. Kaya kutsilyo ay. We're gonna try to mix the vaccine first, huh?
If I don't have no internet signal tomorrow, I guess we'll have to mess with the antenna.
We're gonna work for the antenna
Yeah.
tomorrow.
This because it's been 2 days now. Nothing. Oh my God! What are we doing here?
Gonna open. This is the powder,
Yeah.
and this is the powder, and this
That's it.
one is the liquid.
The powder is actually the vaccine.
Yeah. So need to mix it together. Saan siya pag-uantay palihog ako day. Sahod lang. Open ba?
You have to take it off.
Sahod na kay pa si Mariam.
There you go.
And then
And you put the powder inside there.
it will be mayabog
It'll be okay.
okay. No?
It'll be okay.
Or iana guro to magi.
No, you have to put.
Iana ra day.
Yeah, there you go.
Ito, ha?
Yeah.
Mix na to. Yes, yes. Ikaw ra Willie.
Yeah.
Parehog Willie mad. Purog magugog kamot.
Yeah, there you go.
Naya.
Yeah, see?
So need to mix the vaccine. I-shake, ikuan po ba yan na?
Ayaw sa i-shake. Ayaw sa
Ay siya shake, ihurot sa tanan. Ipasulod sa ilalong palihog Willie. Ang iana ang botelya ba?
Yeah, shake it down in it. Yeah,
Gani, i-shake man, iana man na siyang duha.
yeah put it.
Yeah,
Shake,
na.
no, it won't work that way. There you go.
Di mahulog na.
It's hard.
Di mahulog.
Here,
Hard.
wait. I'll show you something.
Butangan ni siya.
Here, let me have.
I think we need to put a liquid first.
Kaya ako nga anak.
Sa una di lahi man gud to, gibut.
Gibot. Nagyan na ako no.
Wala niya kuan babay, kuan kayo di kabalo. Nani siya kuan, sina sa ilalom day.
Yeah, you probably have to pour liquid into this.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Put some liquid on it like that. Cause it's hard. Cause the last time that we put it now, saday. Cause the last time that we do this, they have an extra nozzle.
Yeah.
And this time, I don't know why they don't give. Cause I asked the lady about the. Ano yun? I asked the lady, said that's okay.
We get it all.
Utang ida, mix with tarong pa yun.
Okay, there you go. There you go.
I'm just afraid ba I make a mess and it's. Okay, wala
there
na.
we go.
Ilalom, then i-mix lang, iana lang na i-shake. Need to shake it correct. Ang narabay bangag. Asan ta ko ano?
You can tell we're not professionals. Willie's the only professional here.
Because last time, they have an extra
Container.
container, but this time they don't give me an extra. I asked, but the lady there, she said that that's all. But her husband is not there, but because last time that I bought this one, I talked to her husband.
Mm-hmm. There. Here's
Dito na ni siya
He's
there.
already got a hole in the nipple. Says the nipple already got a hole?
Yeah, have a hole already.
Okay.
Need to get the chicks.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna try to get set up here where make this more visible
Wala. Ay, salod ng mata. Ay, ilong mata.
and not so shaky. There we go. Maybe.
Minsan may kuan.
Well,
Look and
Sarah.
only one drop for one chick.
yeah. And it's supposed to do 1,000, right?
Yeah, 1,000. This is good for 1,000 heads. Good. They're behaved.
Well behaved. Not rowdy.
Yeah. Ay, buka. Your eyes ba once. Oh, very good.
Yung ano yung bakitok yung bunit.
Ito man.
Madala ra daw usa.
Dala raman yung isa ko. Kanang master.
You gotta get to see raising chickens. There's more to it than just feeding them.
We're not really export. This is the black.
Black astrolot.
Ito lang. Anong eyes dahil.
He got a big black eye.
Can see his eye.
Yeah, I know.
Hindi siya mapiyong. Open. Last time we do it in the nose. This time in the eyes.
Maybe the eye better. You're noisy.
Yeah. Open. Hoy.
How many we got this time?
What, the chicks? Pila tanan atong kuan? Maybe 30 plus.
I know there should be a 37 or 39. I can't remember.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
That's not counting the ones out
You're
there
safe now.
that needs it.
Kumakakuan sa You're very behaved.
That's unusual, isn't it? When the last time, when they rowdy the last time?
Yeah. We have a hard time last time. You need to put only one drop.
Yeah.
You can put it in the nose or eyes.
Well,
We have eyes here because we need to put,
yeah, you gotta keep it chilled.
yeah. Oh, he's shaking it.
He didn't like it.
I think it's tickles. Ilan na to?
Another black astrolot? I think we
Black
got 5 of
astrolot.
those.
So this is our first time to vaccinate a black astrolorp,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, first time.
Hopefully we have black only, a black astrolorp.
Yeah, I like to get more of them.
Thank you. They're so cute, but when they are small,
Yeah, I know.
they knows that mama is do something with them.
Yeah. They know mama.
Mama not gonna hurt. Just
Quieten right down.
My mama baby ba when she stand up, she walk around here, right? Then when she get up, she got dizzy again. She always
wow.
not dizzy, just like you're drunk.
Yeah, that's vertigo. That's the way I am.
Vertigo. That's vertigo.
Yeah, that's the way I
It's
am.
normal. Vertigo lagi na day. Saka mama badu na may uban good. Why it's long time to.
Well, I've had it for years.
Mm,
Ever since we lived in Lapa Lapa.
she not dizzy, just like she's like no
No balance.
no balance.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Vertigo. She have a follow-up checkup this coming Monday.
I'm just
She
glad
needs,
you're doing
she
better.
needs to go back to the doctor this coming Monday.
Mm. If she's like me, she's going to get used to vertigo because I can't get rid of it.
We also vaccinate. How many weeks is the other one?
I think they're
The
20.
bigger, 20 day,
No, they're 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have some chicken that it's been 6 weeks that we need to vaccinate also because they're not been
I think there are 20 of them.
vaccinated.
I think there are 20 of them.
20. 20 to sila kabuok day. Katong wala na baksinan, itong dago-dago na. Wala patay, sorry. Kung kakakita si Kabante, ana-anaan sa eyes, kung kuan day. Wala na shoot.
You guys make sure you wash your hands good when you get done
Yeah.
so you won't transmit it to other chickens.
Yan na kabasig na. Kung sa laing manok na. Yeah, we always wash our hands after. The eyes of the black astrolop is hard to see because it's black.
Yeah.
Okay yung.
Let's see if I get a closer view of one. This time.
Closer.
There you go, guys. You got to see that up close.
Yeah, another one. Another one. So cute.
Dire na. Balik na.
Last one. Last one.
Oh, what about the other side?
Yeah, we get the other one there. This is the last one here in the brooding box.
On the front side.
Yeah, on the front side we have some there at the back.
Yeah. I think there's 9 on the other side. How many we do right here?
They are counting on it. It's so nice when watching them. They're so well behaved.
You know, the problem about raising chickens doing this stuff here, you attach them.
Yeah.
Okay, ihap. Yung makanahal ko niya. Itlog.
Hindi utsura. Pwede ka mo 30? 28 on this side here. In
There's
the
9 on the
right.
other side, I
Yeah.
think. And these might
This
be
is the
rowdy.
big dagko ni Day. This is
These
the
are-
bigger one,
Yeah, they were 2 weeks old.
2 weeks old. Hello, so we're gonna sell this one. I'm gonna post this online. I'm gonna sell them, some of them. We
Okay.
keep the black astrolorp.
Yeah.
They're noisy. Why are you so noisy? Thank you.
It's funny how they quieten down.
Wala na? They are more active because they are bigger
Yeah.
than the other one.
So it means we got 37 because I think there's 9.
Yeah. How many it not survived?
I had one die in the shell and one die got crushed. And then we had, I don't know how many eggs that didn't hatch. Probably at least 30.
So tomorrow we're gonna incubate
Started
We're gonna
incubating.
start.
Yeah.
another batch.
We already got black axolot started. Which they'll start hatching here in about another week.
What?
The black axolot about another week.
Yeah, and also we try to have more silky.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi there.
As soon as our silky rooster gets well enough to transfer,
You got it. You got it.
Ulo.
We have a lots of vaccine left. Because this is good for 1,000 chicken.
Ito, last ko, galing gamay.
38 na tanan niya.
Sila?
Ulo na nang dagdag.
So
Okay.
38 here in the brooding box.
38 na
Oh.
yan.
Dire na
Cool.
pulo na eh. So we
38.
have 38 here in the brooding box and
Oh,
we have
cool.
20 more there outside.
Ulit mo na ako, siyempre. Siyempre. Ito nga. Sino?
Oh, 39. 11 the other side.
Oh,
and
okay,
28.
39. Wow,
Yeah.
that's even better.
The miscount.
I miscount too.
Yeah.
Hard to count sometimes.
That's nice, huh? Out of how many eggs we put in the incubator?
I think it was 70.
Waong ba itong anday?
Mm.
Aw, sa malito na ta or
Diri lang, guru.
You gonna go get the others and put in the box?
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, because
This'll be fun, guys.
yeah, because the other one is much bigger.
Yeah, you see the difference in their size.
Let me to eat this.
You get vaccinated.
I already vaccinated today.
Yeah.
So our refrigerator will be coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
The new one.
And guess what? The old one started working.
Yeah, and we try to sell it, right?
Yeah.
That's the prank that the refrigerator pranked us this morning. So, but anyway, we need more storage in our foods, right?
Yeah, it's
And-
14-year-old.
yeah, 14 years old, so we really need to have a new one. Because sometimes if we have some occasions here, like birthday party, we really need to have more space
Yeah.
on the refrigerator.
Because we get the deep freeze filled and
Yeah,
the
filled with
refrigerator.
ice. The difference, it's full of ice, and it's really good that we bought because next month
Yeah.
for Christmas, right? You can put more foods there.
Yeah. Especially your desserts.
Yeah,
The fruit salad.
maybe I'm gonna start making some cake again, but you can't eat because there's lots of sugar.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've been doing good, guys. I'm staying away from the sweets.
Sometimes I feel so like sad because you can't eat sweets. When I'm eating some sweets, but then you can't eat because you need to watch your diet, your sugar.
I've been doing good.
Yeah,
You know,
but
Especially if
it's
I-
for your own safety. I
Yeah.
mean, for your own
especially
health.
when we stay home, I eat correctly.
Oh God, they put it in the bucket.
Napalit na.
There's more there at the back.
Dili lang.
Ano naman ni good.
Gani, look how big it is
Oh,
now.
here we go, guys. Look at this.
Oh gosh.
That's what they look like in 6 weeks.
Yeah, 6 weeks. It's easy because their eyes is bigger.
Well, that was a white one.
Looks like it's a silky.
That's a silky hair.
Ah, silky. Look at guys, the hair.
We got a silky.
Brown, color brown. Maybe it's mixed with Rhode Island red.
Maybe.
Because it's brown, but the color
Oh,
of the
that's pretty.
feather. That's pretty. You have a brown silky. Hi. Oh,
Marami ko rin sa ito.
thank you. Dito pa na may butang dai. Di pa na grow transfer.
He's been quiet and look at that. They've been behaved. I'm surprised.
They know that there's something's going on.
Yeah. I'm really
We're not
surprised.
trying too hard.
Yeah, these are Rhode Island Reds.
Yeah, Rhode Island red.
Yeah. And I think that white one was a buff.
The white one.
Yeah.
Katong puti, wili, buff to, golden buff. Natoy kuan sa dire, kay batiis, balhibo. Atong puti, barang puti. Nay balhibo, wala. Wala. It's not a buff because there's no hair on the leg.
Well, they don't get none until they get older.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm,
They don't start showing that on their legs till they're about 5
this is
months
the
old.
male one. Male.
Yeah.
Male.
Not a rooster.
Rooster.
Cow.
Kaon. Tomorrow we're gonna bake some chicken. That the one is keeps biting on us.
Yeah.
Mm.
Cow. Excuse me. Cow
Lalaki
means
to.
eat.
Katong mamahit ba lalaki to? It's a roaster. The one is keeps biting on me and my mama. We're gonna roast chicken. Roasted chicken.
Sounds good to me.
So na to wili. Naa ba? Kung sa uling ra.
Another
Lechon
rooster, I
manok.
bet.
Lechon manok. We call it lechon manok. Roasted chicken. Lechon manok.
I believe that's a rooster.
Yeah.
With a male.
Lalaki po nino.
Sa dagkong tapay dahil.
You get some big chicken feet, won't you? Hmm?
Ha?
You get some big chicken feet.
I love to eat chicken feet if you are the one who raised the chicken.
Well, you know they're clean.
Yeah, because we know that it's clean, but when we just bought it to the market, we don't know about where they are. What's that?
Yeah, you don't know
Yeah, you don't know where they're
all
walk.
the flies and everything else. That's another thing over there. We don't have that many
Yeah,
flies.
we are very lucky because our chickens is not really smells bad, and some of the poultry it's very it stink ba, smells bad, na lots of flies because they raise 45 days chicken. You know, there are different kinds of chicken, types of chicken, but some chickens like 45 days it will be a lot of flies because their poop,
Yeah,
that's what they're gonna use in sugarcane. Remember that when we pass by there in the sugarcane field, it's really bad
Chicken.
smell.
yeah.
Yeah, they use the chicken poop, and that's what that kind of chicken that they use the poop.
No, okay.
Yeah, the 45 days. Even here, my neighbor, the mom of Charles, they are raising that kind of chicken, and the Bastion said that it's really bahu, smells bad.
Yeah, bad smell,
Yeah,
Bo.
bad smell. There's more.
How many of those are 20?
20 din sila dahil.
Tulog ka, di ba yan?
It's 10 now. They carry there at the back.
You get
So-
rowdy.
We gonna sell this one too, or only the chicks?
And we'll sell,
This one,
yeah,
How-
the males.
the male.
They're like keep.
Kani baligya po namong laki ani.
Now we can sell some of the hens.
I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna take some picture tomorrow. I'm gonna post online.
You can put those in the pullet pen tomorrow.
Pabutang na niya sa pulit pen daw na ugma kami pa-transfer. Dapat to gagmay katong pang sipon. Wala to pang sipon, ha? Maybe we make sure that they are bigger before we transfer because I don't want they will get sick
Okay.
because we still have some there in the pulit pen from the previous.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We need to wait maybe 2 weeks. Then we transfer.
Okay.
Dali naman nagkulit.
I thought the pullet pen was empty.
No, we still have the one from the previous.
18 dali ni day.
Ha?
18.
18 all, not 20.
Okay. Well, we got from the previous out there. They should be big enough to almost turn loose.
Dagko na to di ay ato na sa pulit pen. Karon dagko na to.
Dagko ani. Magulang man to ani.
Mm.
Because they're strong and healthy, aren't they?
Last nito ba?
Okay.
Gamay ang to nabili no. Yeah, but we still have the one over in the other.
I'm talking about the pullet pen. They're strong and healthy, aren't they?
Yeah, cause we separate the one have flu or cold, but we only have small left there in the.
That's entertaining, guys.
Wala na. Come on,
They have learned they can fly.
Panitan na hindi ko yun.
come on. That's all.
Nagkambigyan vaccine.
Well, guys, I hope this was entertaining.
May anak day.
Ha? Wala.
All right.
Magsinan
Appreciate
ko tayo
everybody who
muli.
watches. Thank you so very much.
Willie is still scared of vaccine of the chicken.